All right, we have a rare day off and I get to work on one of our shop projects, which is our old new slant nose Porsche. So my goals for today are to get our Stop Tech brake kit in, our field coilovers, set our final ride height, make sure all of our clearances are good. Like I mentioned before, we're gonna run it static. So I wanna finalize all these things because we have to modify the kit to close the gap to get the visual that we want. So we're kind of doing it in reverse because these kits are generally meant to be run on air to get that laid out stance look, but I don't want to do that because I want to be able to drive this car and I want to keep everything that makes it a Porsche a Porsche. So that's what we're going to work on today. So let's do it. So we got our coilovers in, we got our brakes in, it's sitting the way I want it to sit. So now we can start closing up the kit and move on to some other fun things. Some of the other stuff that we're gonna get into is we're gonna put a whole sort of race car vibe to this thing. There's a bunch of these kits done already, so we kind of want to set ours apart. So I might take some cues from the Evil Evo and get into some Insta style vents, and we're gonna build a wing for it, we're gonna build exhaust for it, maybe a cage, I haven't decided yet, and then it'll go to paint and body and get a red interior, of course. So this is where we're at now. Up next, we start finalizing and closing some things up. So it's starting to get fun, it looks sick. Now I'm excited and I'm motivated, so we'll stay on it till it's done.